Imagine endless mango orchards where massive crews sweat endlessly to cultivate millions of trees on scales that make small backyard efforts seem tiny by comparison. This intense hard work sparks massive curiosity about how such epic farming operations deliver abundant supplies straight into the everyday availability and impact for ordinary households everywhere. Get ready for the jaw-dropping reality of industrial mango farms transforming vast lands into production powerhouses, yielding millions of fruits far beyond any personal home grove capabilities. Their relentless dedication builds excitement around the complete journey that ensures widespread daily presence of mangoes through producer efforts. Connecting to all communities. Witness the thrilling magnitude of hard work on huge commercial and medium mango setups, harvesting mountains of produce in coordinated waves that dwarf individual backyard harvests completely. This astonishing scale creates high anticipation for discovering how farm toil results in the routine, availability, and profound significance of mangoes in daily household life. On sprawling mango farms, massive machinery prepares the soil with precision and power. Contrasting the manual digging by families in tiny backyard plots, this foundational hard work sets the stage for the entire journey, linking producer efforts to seamless processing, storage, and daily household availability worldwide. Planting millions of mango saplings across commercial plantations requires coordinated teams working in unison, unlike the careful single sapling placement in backyard gardens with personal touch. The dramatic scale contrast fuels growth phases that connect directly to harvest success and routine presence in ordinary households. During the growing phase, expansive mango operations provide systematic irrigation and support far exceeding the daily manual watering of limited backyard trees by dedicated owners. This contrast in care intensity overcomes early challenges, ensuring millions advance to collection and market distribution for everyday impact. Fertilizing and pruning on industrial mango farms deploy expert crews and equipment. Contrasting the hands-on organic care applied to individual trees and small home setups, hard work at this stage bridges nutrient needs to robust health, linking all scales to storage, transportation, and household significance. Facing pest invasions, large-scale mango farms activate integrated defenses with technology, while backyard growers rely on vigilant manual checks for their few trees. The striking differences in response strategies highlight resilience that carries fruits through harvest too. Processing and widespread daily availability. Weather challenges hit commercial mango operations, with protective innovations contrasting the direct exposure managed by personal backyard efforts on smaller levels. Overcoming these through dedication at every scale connects to successful collection, curing, and economic benefits in routine household life. Harvesting millions of ripe mangoes engages vast teams using efficient tools on huge farms, unlike the selective hand-picking from backyard trees yielding modest amounts. This peak effort stage dramatically contrasts scales, yet unifies to propel fruits into processing and distribution networks for ordinary homes. Collecting and sorting harvested mangoes on commercial sites uses automated systems. For speed, contrasting the personal basket filling in medium and backyard operations, the volume differences underscore hard work, transitioning to curing drying stages, ensuring long-term storage and transportation success. Processing mangoes after harvest in large facilities involves grading and packaging technology far beyond manual quality checks in small backyard batches. This operational contrast links collection labor to storage readiness, connecting producer commitment to market availability and health benefits everywhere. Curing mangoes in controlled environments on industrial farms preserves quality with precision, unlike natural curing methods used in personal home setups. The scale contrast amplifies dedication that secures the fruits for drying storage and eventual distribution to daily household routines. Drying select mango batches employs advanced techniques in massive operations, contrasting simple air drying on backyard scales. Hard work here bridges harvest to storage, linking challenges overcome too. Transportation and the economic impact of widespread presence. Storing millions of mangoes in climate-controlled warehouses on commercial farms contrasts compact home storage solutions for backyard yields. This capacity difference highlights the journey's culmination in logistics that deliver routine availability and overall significance to ordinary households. Transporting mangoes from farms relies on large fleets with tracking on industrial levels. Unlike occasional small vehicle hauls from personal groves, the logistical contrast connects storage efforts to market distribution, ensuring everyday household access through unrelenting producer hard work. Distributing mangoes to markets from huge commercial sources floods supply with volume, contrasting limited local offerings from backyard producers. Dramatic scale differences reveal how full-journey hard work results in economic vitality and constant daily presence everywhere. Economic impacts from mango farming generate vast opportunities on large operations, contrasting supplemental family benefits from small backyard efforts. This contrast ties production scales to broader prosperity, linking all stages to health advantages in routine household life. Health benefits arise from nutrient-rich mangoes cultivated across massive farms and tiny personal plots with equal dedication. Overcoming full stages connects producer toil to distribution networks, delivering consistent availability and profound daily importance universally. The overall significance of mango production unites industrial scale with backyard passion through shared hard work from preparation to final market. Contrasts in operations ensure the journey delivers widespread household availability and lasting impact on communities. Land preparation on medium and large mango setups employs heavy equipment for efficiency, contrasting manual soil work in backyard personal farms. This early hard work establishes foundations linking to growing care and harvest for seamless everyday availability. Planting operations scale up with teams on commercial mango farms, contrasting individual planting sessions in home gardens. The differences drive efficient growth that overcomes challenges to reach. Processing and storage stages for household significance. Growing mango trees demands ongoing monitoring on vast farms, unlike periodic checks in small backyard setups. Hard work contrasts propel trees to maturity, connecting directly to collection, curing, and routine distribution impacts. Care and maintenance routines on industrial mango orchards utilize specialized teams, contrasting solo efforts in personal backyard groves. This scale bridge sustains health through challenges leading to harvest and economic benefits in daily life. Challenges like diseases are tackled systematically on large mango operations, contrasting reactive personal methods in backyard settings. Resilience differences linked to successful processing, drying, and transportation, ensuring widespread household presence. Harvest collection peaks dramatically on commercial mango farms with coordinated harvesting contrasting gradual backyard picks. The contrast emphasizes volume hard work transitioning to grading, storage, and market availability. Processing and packing mangoes after collection uses machinery on huge scales, contrasting hand packing and medium setups. This stage connects producer efforts to drying and long-term storage for daily household economic impact. Curing and drying processes in expansive facilities apply controlled conditions, contrasting traditional backyard approaches. Hard work here secures quality, linking to storage, transport, and profound significance everywhere. Storage management on industrial mango farms safeguards abundance with technology contrasting basic backyard storage. The capacity contrasts ensure freshness through distribution, connecting to health benefits and ordinary routines. Transportation logistics for mangoes from large farms feature efficient networks contrasting limited backyard transports. This effort bridges storage to markets, delivering routine availability and overall daily importance. Market distribution from commercial mango sources achieves massive reach, contrasting small backyard sales. The scale contrast reveals hard work's reward and economic vitality, sustaining household presence universally. Economic contributions from mango operations empower large and medium farms, contrasting backyard income supplements. Together, they amplify the journey, linking preparation to distribution for widespread impact. Health advantages of mangoes cultivated diligently span commercial to personal scales, overcoming all hurdles. This unified dedication connects to final stages, ensuring consistent everyday availability in homes. Significance of the mango farming cycle shines through contrasts between huge operations and small efforts in every stage. Hard work from planting to storage delivers profound household availability and benefits. Preparation phases on mango megafarms reshape landscapes, efficiently contrasting backyard soil tilling by hand. This contrast sets epic journeys toward growing harvest and routine daily presence. Planting saplings in commercial volumes coordinates precision unlike backyard single efforts with care. Scale differences accelerate growth care challenges to harvest and storage success. Key. Intensive growing support in huge setups contrasts backyard growing attention. Hard work contrasts lead to care harvest collection processing for household presence. Detailed care applications on industrial farms contrast backyard care simplicity. Scale bridges challenges to harvesting, ensuring drying, storage, and economic benefits. Major challenges management scales up on large mango farms contrasting backyard handling. Resilience connects production to processing, curing, and transportation daily. Peak harvest mobilization on commercial sites dwarfs backyard harvest efforts. Contrasts move to collection processing storage linking to market availability. Efficient collection systems on farms contrast backyard collection methods. This advances hard work to processing, drying, and distribution for routine impact. Advanced processing on mango lines contrasts manual backyard processing. Differences secure curing, storage, transport connecting producer toil to households. Controlled curing and drying on large scales contrast backyard versions. Hard work ensures storage, logistics, market, and health significance everywhere. Comprehensive storage and final distribution for mango farms contrast small-scale equivalents. The ultimate contrasts tie the entire journey of hard work to everyday household availability and profound daily importance.